Tectonic plates in New Zealand. By Adam and Robby. Type of plate boundaries. Convergent, where two plates are colliding. Transform, where plates slide past each other. Divergent, where two plates are moving apart. What are the plate boundaries underneath New Zealand? New Zealand lies at the edge of both the Australian and Pacific tectonic plates. To the northeast of New Zealand, and underneath North Island, the Pacific plate is moving towards, and being subducted below the Australian plate. To the south of New Zealand, and underneath Fiordland, the two plates are also moving toward each other, but here the Australian plate is being subducted under the Pacific plate. Planet quakes in New Zealand. Earthquakes happen every day in New Zealand. About 14,000-15,000 happen in and around the country each year. Most earthquakes are too small to be noticed, but between 150 and 200 are large enough to be felt. Earthquakes occur most often where two moving plates meet and press against each other, as they do in New Zealand. Stresses cause the rocks to break and create cracks. If the crack or fracture reaches the surface, it is called a fault. Many of New Zealand's active faults have been mapped. Scientists do not know exactly how many faults there are as they are not always visible. Volcanoes in New Zealand. Volcanoes in New Zealand normally occur along the plate boundary. Underneath New Zealand, the Australian plate and is being forced down into the Earth's mantle by the Pacific plate. This creates a zone of subduction where the plate melts. Magma rising from this subduction zone producing a line of active volcanoes called a volcanic arcade. Most of New Zealand's active volcanoes are caused by this process. New Zealand's volcanoes are part of a larger zone of active volcanoes that rim the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ring of Fire. The end. Thanks for watching.